Hey everybody, today I've got a 2016 Lexus GX460 on how to reset the maintenance light. So this is push button. So first thing you want to do, foot off the brake, push the button twice, and then as soon as the dash comes on, you're going to come over here to the odometer trip button. And if you see right here, it's on the odometer. You want to put it on trip A. Then you can go ahead and cut the key back off. And then what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold the trip button while you push the button twice, and then it will reset. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can get this done. All right. And as you see, it says resetting maintenance data right now. And you're done. So just remember, you got to put the odometer on trip A, hold the button in, then press the start button twice, and you're set. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that down in there in that corner. Thanks a lot for watching.